Hello and welcome. This is Al from ZPanel community. This is second part on how to install ZPanelX on Centos 6.2 using the VMware. Let's start. I'm going to start now the actual machine, the virtual machine. By pressing Ctrl Alt and Enter, you can go full screen. First thing I'm going to do is let us start, and at the command I'm going to log in, and I'm going to type ifconfig because I will need to know exactly the IP that the actual server is installed. If you remember correctly, on the first part I have chosen the HCP, so the actual router will going to allocate an IP for me. In this case is 192.168.177. Once I've done that, I'll start installation. Don't forget you can find installation from our forum on forums.zpanelcp.com, and if you just follow the instruction from Caffeine Addict, there is an auto installer there. But I started to type in yum install open SSH for the client, wget, and just write DOS to Unix. Just press yes, yes again. Once finished, go to the next step. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to upload the file that I have already downloaded from the forum to my root folder. Once I logged in with the root and the password, I upload the file, and I'll close the FileZilla. Back again, and I'm going to sim out the actual file so I can actually install it. Don't forget, for any information, just log in to our forum where you can find all the details you need to install ZPanelX. Once converted, I'll start installation of ZPanel. Enter your time zone. Enter your ZPanel domain. In this case, I'm using zpx01.zpanelhosting.tk. Now here you need your public IP. In my case, I'm using an internal IP, but you need to put an external, your public IP. Make sure you do so. I'm using internal IP because this is just for this tutorial, and it's not, I'm not going to use this as a real server. I'm inserting my SQL password, and I'm going forward with installation. It will take some time before installation is finished, even if I'm using 75 megabit download speed. Although this is not the case because it's installing the actual files rather than anything else. It does take a lot of time. Although I have cut a lot of, I think I cut from this video already about 5 minutes, but I think in overall it's about 11 minutes plus 11 minutes on entire video. I think it takes about 22 minutes. So be patient. I have pressed yes for that. Don't forget now, to access your Z panel, you need to use the actual IP that you got before by typing ifconfig. In my case it was 192.168.177. The system was rebooted again. Now everything should be okay. And again, I would like to stress this is just for information only. This is not a full deployment of ZPanelX. It's just a tutorial. Whatever you see here is going to be deleted and reused again all over again, just for tutorials. Now everything has been installed. Looks everything has been alright. There's no error. I'm going to open the browser, and I'm going to direct my browser to 192.168.1.77. As you can see, everything works. The username is zadmin. I don't know why it didn't get it through, and the password is password. I'll try it again and see what happens. I'm sure I did type properly. There we go. Everything is done. Everything looks okay. Again, thank you very much to follow my tutorials, and don't forget, if you want to ask any questions, please log in to forums.zpanelcp.com. As you will know, I totally close all the comments on YouTube for these reasons, because I like everybody to come and join us on our forum ZPanelCP.